Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a foundation review, and today's foundation is going to be the Haus Labs foundation, which is called Triclone Skin Tech Medium Coverage Foundation. This foundation comes in 51 shades. It retails for $59 Canadian. It's a medium coverage, weightless, clean foundation with fermented arnica that reduces redness, helps even skin tone, and protect from environment stress. Medium coverage, natural finish, and it's a liquid formulation. I got mine from the mall, and they had the whole collection at the Sephora here where I live. Let's start applying this foundation, and this is in the shade 250, I believe. 250 light medium neutral, and this is one of the heaviest foundations I own. I do have glass foundations, but this is really heavy. I really like the packaging of this foundation, to be honest. So it has a pump. I wish the pump was like silver. I don't know, it just matches better with the foundation. I always like to shake my foundations really well. And I'm gonna take only one pump of this foundation, and it's a little bit more on the runny side, as you can see. So I'm gonna apply my foundation with this Morphe brush. This is the E63. It looks like this, like it's a flat. I use it for everything, to be honest. So here we go, foundation. I do have a fake tan on, and I already applied my primer off camera. I did use this Run Perfect Canvas primer. I really like it. It's very lightweight, and I really know how it works under foundations. So let's apply this foundation here. It looks so pretty, like very glowy. But I think they claim it's a natural finish foundation. We'll see. It's more glowy, and I really like glowy foundations. So I did one side here. It's actually a good match for me. It's really pretty. I really like it. And it blends so easily. I do have normal to dry skin. It's normal at this time. I have no flakiness. So yeah, it looks really pretty. It's very glowy though. Very glowy. It's so pretty though. Okay. And it doesn't look cakey or heavy. So that's a good thing. I still have a lot. It looks really nice. I would say it's a medium coverage foundation. It has, I can't say it's a dewy foundation. I've had dewier foundations than this, but it's more on the glowy side for sure. And yeah, medium coverage, glowy. It's not set yet, but it's not too sticky. If you know what I mean. I'm gonna finish the rest of the makeup, and I will be back. Okay, so I am finished with the rest of my makeup. It's now 2:35 p.m. I'm gonna be wearing this foundation for the rest of the day, and I will come at the end of the day and show you guys how it looks. It's what it looks like from up close and personal. I really like it, the way it looks on my skin. I feel like it's a second skin. It doesn't look cakey or heavy so far. Like, I am so happy, but I had to use powder. My face does not agree with powder so much. I just feel like it looks heavy and cakey and dry at the end of the day. But this foundation was really glowy, and I'm gonna be running some errands today, so I just wanted it to stay all day, and I didn't want to look so glowy. I didn't even put any highlighter today, so I skipped it for today. I just had that blush from Jaclyn Hill, which has a little bit of a glow in it. But all this that you see, it's the foundation. I did set the rest of my face with the Laura Mercier powder. Did put it under my eyes as well. So we'll see how it goes. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna be showing you a little bit more closer. So I just have a window and the ring light here, but I did really put it on the lowest setting. It looks stunning, you guys. Like, it looks so pretty. With concealer, powder, I feel like it looks like it's a full coverage foundation. At the beginning when I applied it, it looked like more a medium coverage foundation. I will carry on with my day and I will come at the end of the day. As I said, it's 2:38 at the moment, and yeah, I hope I wear it for like 7 hours, and I will come at 9 o'clock and show you guys how it looks. I don't have my phone on me, but it's 9:20 p.m. I'm not sure if you can see, but I've been wearing this foundation for about 7 hours or so. I have to say that I really love this foundation. It looks so good. Like, I haven't touched my face at all. I'm just gonna see in the mirror close, but I have to say I've never seen the smoothest forehead in my entire life. Like, my forehead looks so smooth and very glass skin like. I am in love, you guys. I think I do like this one better than the Hourglass foundation that I just reviewed. That one is a stunning foundation as well. It's a long lasting, but this is long wearing as well. But the thing is, I like about this is how smooth and skin like it looks on my skin. Like, it is just like the most beautiful finish. Like, I'm just blown away. Like, my forehead looks so smooth, and like, it's not shiny when I look at myself in the mirror. I think because of the lights and everything, it's reflective for sure, but it's just like so beautiful. Like, I did not touch up with powder after the first application, and this is how it looks. I am so happy with this foundation. I might go and get another shade just because this foundation is a little bit dark when I'm not tanned. So I do have a tan right now, so I'm using the shade 250 light medium neutral. I will probably go like and get a light neutral shade, and I can mix them together if I want to. This is what I think about this foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed this review about this Haus Lab by Lady Gaga foundation. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review. Please subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video.